Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how you can easily find and list the largest files taking up space on your Mac. First, go ahead and open up System Settings. Next, in the General tab, click on the option that says Storage. Just wait a moment here for the Mac to calculate the size of your folders. Now look for the Documents row. This is usually where all the user-generated data lives. Click on the little eye icon right next to it. In the new window that pops up, the first tab is Large Files. This lists out your biggest files. Go ahead and click on the Size column header to sort them. This will arrange everything from the largest file down to the smallest. Right from this screen, you can right-click a file and hit Delete to get rid of it instantly. Or click Show in Finder to see where it is. You can even press Command A to select everything, then hit Delete to clear it all out. Aside from large files, you have other tabs like Downloads, which shows everything in your Downloads folder. There's also unsupported apps, but honestly, I rarely use that one. Finally, let's look at the File Browser tab. This is super powerful. You can see the size of every single folder on your Mac, from desktop to downloads to documents. It helps you spot exactly which folder is hogging all your space. When you click into a folder, you'll see all the subfolders inside. Just keep drilling down like this, and you'll hunt down those massive files anywhere on your system. This is exactly how I clean up junk files and free up space without needing any third-party software. If you found this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more macOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.